Okay, to continue this question, what we could do here is we could add, grab my pen tool here, there we go. We could add these two numbers together. And so I would keep the 240.25 on the left side of the equal sign. And if we add these two numbers together, we get 265.69 plus 154.29. That gives us 419.98. Now this still has a subtract 400.98, but it's multiplying the cosine of angle H. So we can't actually do the subtraction here. That's not allowed. We can't do that. So what we're going to do next is take this 419.98 and subtract it here. So we're going to subtract the 419.98, but if we subtract it on the right side of the equation, we also have to subtract it on the left side of our equal sign to keep it equal. All right, so if I subtract 419.98 from the 240.25, we get negative 179. So that equals negative 179.73, and that's equal to negative 400.98 times the cosine of angle H. Okay, now that 400.98 is multiplying the cosine, so to undo that, we're going to divide both sides by negative 400.98. So that undoes it here, but then we have to divide the other side by the negative 400.98. And I'm just going to do that on my calculator. And I get 0.4482 approximately equals the cosine of angle H. Now we can do, I'm going to move over here, now we can do that angle H will equal the inverse function of cos on that 0.4482. So hit that inverse and I get H is approximately equal to 63.4 degrees. I hope this helps.